Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in the Citroen. From any screen, go on to menu, and again it was already on telephone there, but if it's not, just navigate across to telephone, click OK. You've got Bluetooth configuration, click OK. There, connect or disconnect an equipment, consult the paired equipment or delete a paired equipment. So we just navigate down to delete, click OK, and it's showing there a Galaxy S8, which is the previous owner's. OK. Do you want to delete? It's defaulted to yes. Yes. OK. That's it done. So I'll just show you one more. Menu. Navigate to the Bluetooth, to the telephone system. Bluetooth configuration. OK. And then just scroll down to delete a paired equipment. Showing my phone. OK. Defaulted to yes. OK. And that's it gone. And that's it. It's a real good system in this car. Nice car, 5-seater, very comfortable, plenty of space, bags of headroom, get everything you need in it.